Hello dear student, how are you? I am Arvindar. Now welcome to you in my online platform. Today we have to discuss next topic. In previous lecture we have to discuss about charge. What do you mean by the charge? Definition of charge, its unit and some basic properties of charges. ठीक है? Now today we have to discuss next method of charging of body. So before discussing the method of charging of body, two other basic properties in charge are two same nature charge, two similar nature charge will repel each other. Okay, this can be understood by this diagram. We can say that in this diagram these are the two charges. When two charges are of same nature, sorry, opposite nature, two charges of same nature, then they will repel each other. Two charges of same nature repel each other, that is these two charges, positive positive, negative negative, having repulsion with each other. ठीक है, like this considered as q1 and this is considered as q2. So repulsion between both the charges will takes place. If we have to consider these two charges, this can be named as q1 and this can be named as q2. So they will also repel each other. But if two charges are of opposite nature, this is q1 and this is q2, so two charges is of opposite nature, then they will attract each other. Okay, this is the basic phenomena present in charge. These are the basic phenomena present in charge. Next one is next one we can say that if two charges are of same nature, that is q1 multiplied by q2 should be always greater than 0. This shows the repulsion between the charges. ठीक है क्या? If q1 multiplied by q2 greater than 0 or q1, this is also is satisfy the condition q1 multiplied by q2, it is greater than 0, so two charges will repel each other. While two charges, first one this is q1 and this is second one is q2, less than 0, then they will attract each other. These are the two charges which attract each other. ठीक है, two charge of same nature repel each other and two charges of opposite nature will attract each other. We can also here concluded that if we can say that the equation q1 plus q2 is equal to 0, it means that two charges is of opposite nature and they will attract each other. This means that two charges is of opposite nature and they will attract each other. Like we can say that if in this condition we can write it as q1, we can write it as q1 minus q2. So it shows attraction, or the possibility is that either q2 is equal to minus q1. Okay, so it follow the condition when two charges is of opposite nature, so they will attract each other. Now next we have to discuss that method of charging of body, methods of charging of body, methods of charging of body, methods of charging of body, charging of body. Okay, so before we discuss the method of charging of body, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So now we have to discuss, फटाफट सेशन को लाइक शेयर कर दें. तो वी हैव टू डिस्कस दैट मेथड ऑफ चार्जिंग ऑफ बॉडी. सो देयर आर द थ्री मेथड्स ऑफ चार्जिंग ऑफ बॉडी. These are the three method of charging of body. First one is charging by induction. Charging by induction. Second one is what? Charging by conduction. And third one is what? Charging by conduction. And third one is what? Charging by friction. These are the method of charging of body. What? Induction, conduction and friction. So first of all we have to discuss that charging by induction. Okay, charging by induction. So now the topic is charging by induction. The first method is charging by induction. So what is the charging by induction? In this method, when charged and uncharged body is placed close to each other, near to each other or close to each other, then opposite nature charge is induced on the uncharged body. This method is called as charging by induction. Okay, what is charging by induction? When two bodies are placed close to each other or near to each other, then the phenomena in which opposite nature charge induced on the opposite nature charge produced on the uncharged body, this method is called charging by induction. How this will happen? We have to understand by this example. We have to consider that this is a body placed on the insulating stand. It is placed on the insulating stand because the charge will not transferred over the earth surface. ठीक है. So now we have to consider that these are the two bodies. This is a body. It is placed on the insulating stand. When a charge is given to this body from the external source, so whenever charge is given to this body from the external source, then this charge will be uniformly distributed over the surface of the body. Whenever plus q charge is given to this body, then it will be uniformly distributed over their surface. Now another uncharged body is placed near to this charged body A. Another uncharged body is placed near to this charged body. So we can say that whenever it is this body is placed, uncharged body is placed near to the charged body, then the surface of uncharged body which is facing the charged body. So in this method, the surface of uncharged body, this is a body A and now this is the body B. So the surface of uncharged body which is facing the charged body, okay, acquire opposite nature charge of the charged body, and the surface of uncharged body which is away from the charged body, at which same nature charge on the charged body is produced. क्या बताया? When a charge is given to this body from the external source, so it will be uniformly distributed over its surface. So when an uncharged body placed near to a charged body, then by induction method, the surface of uncharged body which is facing the charged body acquire opposite nature charge, while the surface of uncharged body which is away from the charged body acquire the same nature charge of charged body. This will happen because a body is electrically neutral, so it consists same amount of positive and negative charge. Now this uncharged body is connected to ground. This uncharged body is connected to ground or connected to the earth surface. So this is connected to ground. So some electron are coming from the ground, some electron moves from the ground and neutralize the positive charge of this uncharged body. It neutralizes the positive charge of this uncharged body, while these electron will not neutralize the negative charge because the electron is also negatively charged. And other way is that there is a strong electrostatic attraction force will takes place between this negative charge and this positive charge. So only this positive charge neutralize the electron and only negative charge remains on the body. So in this method, we have to neutralize the positive charge of the uncharged body, neutralize the positive charge present on the uncharged body, so only negative charge remains on their surface. Now we have to remove the connection of this uncharged body from the ground and it becomes separated from the charged body. This uncharged body is separated away from the charged body. So opposite nature charge on their surface, become uniformly distributed on the surface. It become uniformly distributed on the surface like in this manner. It become uniformly distributed on their surface. So we have to consider this is like in this manner. That's why we can say that opposite nature charge is induced on the surface of uncharged body. ठीक है. So what is the induction method? In induction method, when charged or uncharged body is placed close to each other, then opposite nature charge is induced on the surface of uncharged body. This method of charging is called as what? Charging by induction. This is called as charging by induction. So we can say that in induction method, this is a charged body and an uncharged body is placed close to their charged body. then the surface of uncharged body which is facing the charged body acquire the opposite nature charge, and the surface of uncharged body which is away from the charged body acquire the same nature charge of charged body. Now this uncharged body is connected to ground, so some electron coming from the ground and neutralize the positive charge of this body, and only negative charge remains on it. And now if its connection from the ground is removed, the connection of uncharged body from the ground is removed and it is separated out from the charged body, then over the surface of this uncharged body opposite nature charge is uniformly distributed. This type of method of charging is called charging by induction. This can be understood by taking following other example. In this example we have to consider that these are a charge rod which is placed near to uncharged body. So in this method some charge is induced over their surface. Okay, फिर क्या now we have to consider that the diagram is like this. This is the diagram. So in this method this is the another way of charging. This is the neutral sphere. So in this neutral sphere we have to conclude that this is the neutral sphere. So some positive and negative charge present on this neutral sphere. Now temporary charging, so we have to place a uncharged body, a charged body. इसमें we have to take in here example, this is surface is positively charged. Now here we have to take a negative charge body, negative charge rod is placed near to this charge near to uncharged body. So the surface of uncharged body this become positively charged. ये क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, आप इसको और बढ़िया से देख सकते हैं. Now so we can say that कि this is the positive charge and this is the negative charge, away from the negative charge and towards the positive charge, because and when it is connected to ground, so these electron are moved to the ground. These electron present on the uncharged body move to the ground and this uncharged rod is removed. This is called परमानेंट चार्जिंग ऑफ अनचार्ज बॉडी. सो देखो अपोजिट नेचर चार्ज इसमें भी जनरेट हुआ. नाउ द अपोजिट नेचर चार्ज इज जनरेटेड इन इंडक्शन मेथड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ अनचार्ज बॉडी. ओके, सो दिस मेथड ऑफ चार्जिंग इज कॉल्ड चार्जिंग बाय इंडक्शन. Now we find that what is the amount of charge produced in induction method. What is the amount of charge? ये आपको समझ आ गया होगा. This is the uncharged body and we negatively charged rod placed near to this uncharged body. Then the surface of uncharged body which is facing the charged body acquire opposite nature charge and away this is the same nature charge. Now it is connected to ground, so these electrons are moved to the ground, so only positive charge remains on it. Now we separated out this uncharged negatively charged rod and uncharged body. So see opposite nature charge on uncharged body, opposite nature to this rod on this surface of uncharged body become uniformly distributed. This type of charging is called charging by induction. Okay, this is called as what? Charging by induction. In this method, what amount of charge in this method, what is the amount of charge is induced on the surface of uncharged body? So we can conclude that what is the amount of charge is produced on the surface of this body. So now the value of charge produced on the surface of uncharged body is what? Q dash is equal to minus Q 1 minus 1 upon epsilon r. This is the amount of charge. Now we have to conclude that here what is Q? Q is the charge of charged body. Charge of charged body. Charge of charged body. And what is the Q dash? Charge induced on uncharged body. Q dash is equal to charge induced on uncharged body. Induced on uncharged body. Charge induced on uncharged body. And what is epsilon r? Epsilon r is called dielectric constant. It is called as dielectric constant. Okay, now negative sign indicate that here negative sign indicate that this negative sign indicate that the charge induced on the uncharged body is always of opposite nature to charge of charged body. Negative sign indicate that charge induced on uncharged body is always of opposite nature to charge of charged body. Now the dielectric constant become different for different substance. It is different for different substance. Like for air or vacuum, its value is 1. Like for pure metal or conductor, it is infinite. Like for glass or we have to also consider for water, it is maybe 80. ठीक है, और in some books it is considered as 81. ठीक है, so now or for glass it is 3 to 4. So we have to consider that a body is made up of such type of material having dielectric constant 3. It is made up of such type of material having dielectric constant 3. So now we have to put the value. So q dash is equal to minus q 1 minus 1 upon 3. Now we have to dividing it. So by dividing it, we can find that q dash is equal to what? Minus q, and this is 1 minus 0.33. So on solving it, we find that q dash is equal to minus q multiplied by 0.67, and this is less than 1. So any number we multiplied by the quantity having less than 1, then it also decreases. That is, from this equation we concluded that q dash is always less than q. And negative sign indicate that nature. Negative sign indicate the nature of charge produced on the uncharged body is always of opposite nature to charge of charged body. So in general, in induction method, the charge induced on the uncharged body is less than the charge of charged body. Charge induced on uncharged body is less than the charge of charged body. It indicate only on the nature. This sign represent only the nature of charge produced on the uncharged body. But for pure metal or conductor, we have to consider for the pure metal or conductor, what will happen? So for pure metal or conductor, for pure metal or conductor. So for pure metal or conductor, epsilon r is equal to infinity. So from this equation we find that q dash is equal to minus q 1 minus 1 upon infinity. And what is the 1 upon infinity? 0. So we can say that it is q dash is equal to minus q 1 minus 0. We find that here what? Q dash is equal to minus q. That's why in induction method, the charge when uncharged body is made up of pure metal or conductor, in induction method uncharged body is made up of pure metal or conductor, then the charge induced on the uncharged body is equal to same amount of charged body. The charge induced on the uncharged body is equal to same amount of charged body, but its nature is always opposite. Its nature is always opposite to charge of charged body. This method of charging of body is called as what? Charging by induction. Okay, so we have to meet in next class some more topic that is charging by friction and charging by conduction. Okay, keep watching, keep study. Thank you.